I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bill in Tally Prime. First, let's get Tally Prime ready for billing. You'll need to enable the Goods and Services Tax, or GST, features to ensure all your tax calculations are correct. Then, either create a brand new company or select an existing one. Make sure all essential accounting features are active for a smooth billing experience. Next, we'll set up the foundational elements for your bills. Create a sales ledger, placing it under the Sales Accounts group. This is crucial for tracking your revenue. Then, define your customer ledgers, including their goods and services, tax identification number, and full address. Finally, input all your stock items, specifying their correct goods and services, tax rates, and units of measurement. Now, let's record the actual sales transaction. Go to the Accounting Vouchers section and select the sales voucher. First, choose the customer ledger you created earlier. Then, input the stock items being sold, along with their respective quantities and rates. Finally, apply the correct goods and services tax ledgers for both central and state taxes to complete the entry. To finalize, let's view and print your newly created bill. You can find your recorded sales voucher by navigating to the day book or through the display menu. Once you've opened the voucher, use the print option to generate a physical copy. Always take a moment to review the bill for complete accuracy before finalizing and sharing it with your valued customer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.